जय श्रीमन्नारायण 449th नामम फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम फ्रॉम 48th श्लोक। ओम क्रतवे नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are the one who is worshipped by Kratus. Ho Srimannarayana, there are Pancha Mahayajnas, Aupasana Homam, 7 Pakayajnas, 7 Havir Yajnas, and 7 Agnishta Homas. All these varieties of yajnas supposed to be done by Gruhastu household people. These yajnas are known as Kratus. Ho Srimannarayana, you are the one who is worshipped by all these Kratus. Ho Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Kratave Namaha. Om Kratave Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Maricha is now talking to Ravanasura, saying that, "Oh Ravana, listen to me and go back to your kingdom. Then you can arrange meeting with all your ministers who are very righteous ministers. And also definitely you have to invite Vibhishana for that meeting. With all of them, again discuss about what you are thinking now. And then after you discuss with them, go and keep yourself sit alone and then start measuring your strength and Rama's strength. Atmanascha balam jnatva. You have to measure your strength perfectly. Then Raghavasya cha tat tataha. Rama's strength. Whatever now I said to you, you have to remember that and you have to measure Rama's strength as it is. Do not underestimate Rama. Then hita hitam. After that you have to think what is going to happen to you, what is good going to happen to you, how much of bad is going to happen to you after you do what you are now thinking about to do. Then tvam kartum arhasi. Then you come to a decision and do that. And also now again and again I am telling you, Ravana, what is my opinion is ahantu manye tavana kshemam rane. According to my opinion, you should not be going against Rama at all, which is not at all good to you. For Ravana, now let me tell you about my past. I used to be living in Dandakaranyam. I used to have thousands of elephant strength. I used to be like a big mountain, and I used to wear all kind of golden ornaments and used to have a wonderful crown. Then while carrying my weapons, if I am going around, bhayam lokasya janayan, everybody used to be scared from me. And there was no one against to me in Dandakaranyam. Vecharam Dandakaranye. I used to enjoy Dandakaranyam. Rushi Mamsani Bhakshayan. I used to eat all the Rushis and there is no one who can say no to me. That was my past. At that time, in the same Dandakaranyam, Vishwamitra Maharshi also was living and doing some yajnas. So he was so much scared from me and he finally went to Dasharatha Maharaju asking, "Oh Maharaja, please send your son Rama so that he can protect all of us from the demon Maricha. Adya Rakshatu Mam Ramaha. Like that he requested, Vishwamitra Maharshi requested Dasharatha Maharaju to send Rama. But Dasharatha Maharaju said, O Maharshi, Balo Dvadasavarshoyam, my Rama is even now only 12 years, very young child. I cannot send him. O Maharshi, if you want, I can go with you in taking entire of my army. Like that, Dasharatha Maharaju said to Vishwamitra Maharshi. All this story, now Maricha is saying to Ravanasura about his past. Then what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 48th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Yajnayijyo Mahejyascha Kratussatram Satangatihi Sarvadarsi Nivrittatma Sarvajño Jnanamuttamam. Yajnayijyo Mahejyascha Kratussatram Satangatihi Sarvadarsi Nivrittatma Sarvajño Jnanamuttamam. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Kratave Namaha. Om Kratave Namaha. Om Kratave Namaha.